Hey there, tech aficionados! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in tech gadgets. Today, we have a sleek and versatile companion for your digital adventures, the Arteck HB030B keyboard. Stick around because we're about to dive into all the incredible features this keyboard has to offer. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. Inside the box, you'll find the Arteck backlit Bluetooth keyboard, a USB charging cable, a welcome guide, and a promise of a 24-month warranty. As you unwrap this beauty, you'll immediately notice its modern and compact design. What sets the Arteck HB030B apart is its stunning backlighting. It boasts 7 unique LED backlight colors with 2 adjustable brightness levels. Whether you're working late or just want to add a dash of style to your typing, this keyboard has you covered. And guess what? It's got an auto sleep feature to save power when you're not using it. Next up, versatility. This keyboard is your all-in-one solution, compatible with iOS, Android, macOS, and Windows. Whether you're using an iPad, iPhone, Android tablet, or a laptop, it effortlessly connects via Bluetooth. Plus, it even features system-specific function keys for each operating system, making your life easier. Comfort is paramount, and the Arteck keyboard delivers. Its whisper-quiet, low-profile keys provide a delightful typing experience. The keys are designed to last, with a scissors kick construction that can be used more than 3 million times continuously. Say goodbye to loud, clunky keyboards. This keyboard is all about being on the go. It's incredibly slim and lightweight, weighing in at just 0.37 pounds. You can easily slip it into your backpack, messenger bag, or even a compact case. It's the perfect travel accessory for anyone who needs to stay productive while on the move. Now, let's talk about battery life. The Arteck HB030B is equipped with an industry-high rechargeable lithium polymer battery. With just a single charge, it can last an impressive 6 months. That's based on 2 hours of non-stop use per day with the backlight off. So, no more constant battery anxiety. Before we wrap things up, a couple of notes. This keyboard is not compatible with Windows 8 Mobile, and for Android 4.4 users, the caps lock indicator may not light up, but it still functions perfectly. To sum it up, the Arteck HB030B keyboard offers an incredible blend of style, comfort, and functionality. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who values a top-notch typing experience, this keyboard has it all. That concludes our review of the Arteck HB030B keyboard on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful or have any questions about this fantastic keyboard, please drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, may your typing be efficient and your style be illuminated with the Arteck HB030B keyboard.